Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm here at the Celsius network. We're looking at Ethereum. Ethereum here is paying 5.35% APY. Pretty good. Pretty good, okay. So Ethereum's up over 5% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, we're back up to 3,022 per coin. On the way to 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. The moon! Here at Celsius, we also have some Bitcoin. Bitcoin's back almost to 44,000 again. It's been in a range for a long time. It's getting ready to break to the upside from the crypto bowl on Sunday. Oh yeah. Over 20 million new users added to Coinbase. Probably, or close to it. Plus all the other cryptocurrencies that are out there. Platforms that are experiencing new user growth. Anyway, we're getting 6.2% APY here. That's a great source of passive income. So I'm trying to pump this value up. Now, if you guys want to earn some free Bitcoin, some free crypto, join Celsius and put some money in there. 400 bucks. You get 50 bucks for free. Can't beat that. So, download Celsius, join, put this product code in, put 400 bucks in, bam! In a little while, you have an extra 50 bucks in your account. Can't beat that. Get on the Bitcoin train before it hits 200K. Alright guys, thanks for watching.